Hey everyone, it's Gianna Lum at Kavitsi Crypto, where we keep you in the loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto blockchain technology. I hope everybody's week is off to a great start. There's so much brewing in the Cardano ecosystem, so today I have a super quick update for the Cardano community. Something big is happening in Switzerland. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. The Cardano Foundation, the nonprofit arm of the Cardano blockchain, tweeted, "Last week, we welcomed the first Venture Hub cohort to our Zurich office. A full day of strategy, pitching, and collaboration with LW3 India, iohk Official, and Endamio Platform. Thank you to the teams for their engagement. We're proud to support your journey." So here's some pictures from the very first cohort meeting. We have the Cardano Foundation and members of each team. And in a sec, I want to go over every single project. In the Cardano Venture Hub, the focus of all these projects is on impact and making the world a better place. First, we have LW3. They have blockchain-enabled digital product passports, and those are meant to track traceability on the Cardano blockchain. And they're really focused on the circular economy, battery lifespans, and other things that really need to be traced. Next, we have iohk. They're providing decentralized cloud computing services. I got to meet with their founder, Navjeet, and the project is really cool and much needed in a time with the rise of AI and more energy and resources used for data centers. It makes it so that everything's more efficient and it's decentralized. There's no one company controlling all the data. And finally, we have Endamio Platform. They're focused on talent infrastructure, verifying work, issuing credentials, and coordinating payments. They're at the forefront of sustainable development and transforming the workforce with blockchain technology. So congrats to LW3, iohk, and Endamio. You're doing great things in the world, and I'm super glad that you're partnering with the Cardano Foundation to really get your projects off the ground. If you enjoyed this content and have any women in your life who want to learn about crypto, I have a special course for them. It's called Crypto Confidence for the Working Woman. Right now, my data shows that 97% of my viewers are men, and that's gotta change. I want crypto to be for everybody, so this course is specifically for women. Eventually it might expand, but I want more and more people to get onboarded onto Cardano and learn the benefits of it. So if you have anybody in your life who is a woman and wants to learn about crypto, send them my way. Right now the course is only $27. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors, and we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with a friend on this content, and I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!